today my topic is method of preparation of phenol. It is obtained by carbolic acid. Carbo means coal, ol means oil. Runge in 1834 discovered phenol from coal tar. It also found in wood tar and coconut shell. It also used as antiseptic and disinfectant. Now preparation by alkali fusion of sodium benzene sulfonate. This is the sodium benzene sulfonate. When this sodium benzene sulfonate get treated with NaOH in presence of heat, it forms sodium phenoxide. When this phenoxide react with H ion, it forms phenol. Now next process is Doe process by chlorobenzene. This is the chlorobenzene because chlorine is situated in the benzene ring. So this chlorobenzene when get treated with NaOH and 623 Kelvin temperature at 300 atmospheric pressure, then it again forms sodium phenoxide. When this phenoxide again treated with H ion, it forms phenol. Now next preparation is from Grignard reagent. This is phenyl magnesium bromide and it is also known as Grignard reagent. When this Grignard reagent get treated with O2, it forms intermediate complex. When this intermediate complex again treated with water molecules and H ion, it forms phenol and magnesium hydrogen bromide. Now next preparation is from diazonium compound. Have you studied earlier? This is the diazonium compound, and when this diazonium compound warm with water, it forms phenol N2 and HCl. Now industrial preparation. When coal tar is in the middle situation, that is middle fraction of coal tar contain phenol, glycerol and naphthalene. On cooling, naphthalene crystallizes out and the left behind product is phenol and glycerol. The formula is this. The phenol has this formula and glycerol is this formula. So there is not much difference in it. Only methyl group is there in glycerol. So when we get treated both of them treated with H2SO4 and NaOH, it forms phenol at between 181 to 182 degree centigrade. Next preparation is oxidation of cumene. This is cumene when phenyl get attached with propane. This is the 3C, because of 3C it is propane. So this is whole formula is known as cumene. When this cumene react with O2, then it forms cumene hydroperoxide. When this cumene hydroperoxide treated with water and H ion, it forms phenol and acetone. Now physical properties. It is colorless crystalline solid. Melt at 42 degree centigrade, boil at 182 degree centigrade, formed pink color on exposure to air. Phenolic, it has phenolic odor, it is toxic, corrosive and hygroscopic solid. Hygroscopic solid means which absorb moisture from the air. It is sparingly soluble in water and completely soluble in organic solvent. So my question is, what is the method of preparation of phenol and its physical property? Thank you.